Canada is the best place to migrate and then get a job as fast as you think. Even people from UK prefer to go to Australia because Australia pay very good. So I think Canada and Australia may be the right places where you have to try. And there is nothing like trying. You can just go. Canada getting a visa through an agent and then getting a position there and all may be very simple, right?
Yeah.
You have some relative, then it becomes much more easier, right?
No, we don't have anyone.
Any friends who can give you a sponsor thing, it is much easier. Otherwise, you need to have, with your qualification, with your rating, I'm 100% sure getting a visa is not a problem. The process is also fast, maximum 6 months, that's it. I practice all this. I can suggest you which stone gives this, but that doesn't change. These are only for people who don't understand otherwise. You understood? Stone is also like an injection for a disease. Provided you have sufficient sunlight and your basic behavior pattern need to be slightly modified. That means your attitude modification can happen. Got it? She has no attitude problem. That is what I was checking, asking questions. So,
Thank you.
any performance happens through 3 activities. One is your environment. That's why I asked, do you have any relatives? Immediately asked. Opportunities will not give you anything. It will come in help only when you have skill.
True.
So there is one which is opportunity. Second one is skill. Suppose you don't have opportunity, you have skill, you will find your opportunities. Only when you have attitude. So what stops? Maybe 35 years, 40 years back after my PhD, I got a chance to go to Canada, Windsor University. They offered me. I said, I don't want. It's not. India is good for me. Got it? So you have to make your choice. What is that you want? It's all in your hand. No God will help you if you don't decide what you want. And what you decide will not be given by God. What is desiring, what is good for you will be decided by somebody if you have faith in Him. Don't try to cheat Him by showing some stones or doing some extra puja, giving some money to some priest, some temple. Nothing will help. Okay. But there is a time which moves and you are also have to move. Exactly when the time supports you, you can do it much faster, much better, much easier. Otherwise, your effort is more required. You are driving a vehicle in a route, in a road. If it is cliff, you will have to put it in first gear if you don't have an auto gear vehicle with you. Right? If there is a turning, you have to be very careful. Otherwise, there is a chance of accident. But if you are an expert driver, even turning doesn't matter for you. So what horoscopes will tell you? It will tell you this is a time, there is a chance of some shift which will happen. How do I check whether it is correct or not? I have to either see the person. Yeah, Venus is in head for you. I am seeing the horoscope now. That's how I see. Okay. So I must check whether this is correct or not. Somebody has given a time and place need not be correct. When I see 100, 50 of them are wrong. So I must see Venus. I seeing you, your Venus is in right place. I have seen your Mars and Sun is in good place. Jupiter. Yeah, you have some shoulder weight. Always you feel, yeah, I know things, right? Do you shift your hand sometime often?
Yeah, I do have a lot of
See, I did not see, but I can tell you because your Ketu is in the shoulder and below, you keep doing it all the time. Yeah, you like move. So your horoscope, this is the pathology which I do, which says that it is correct. No medical system can tell this with a time and place is given what character you have, what body part you will have pain. All that cannot be told. Right? Do you have any pain at your feet below the elbow sort of a place or somewhere?
In my ankle joint in the morning, I do have.
Yeah, that is what I'm seeing one problem with you, right? And do you have muscle catching or something at the calf muscles?
Sometimes.
Yeah.
Cramps
So
are there.
drink a lot of water. That's a solution for you. I will also give you medical. I will do diagnosis from your horoscope. And you are a person who like to be lazy, sitting, yeah, let it come, I will take it. And don't know when you get angry with whom.
Yeah, so that's true.
Uncontrollable person. Right? You yourself don't know when it comes. Why is it comes also you don't know. Then later you will start thinking, why did it happen? No? Yes or no? That is because your moon is the manas, which is not there in the biology. It is there in horoscope. And we all have it also. You have a manas, right?
I guess.
Your feelings are there, right? Where is it in biology? Biology doesn't talk about feelings.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it is there. That means it is there in your body. And there Rahu is staying. Rahu shows disease. That's why medical system has got symbol itself Rahu. So your Rahu is in Manas. So your problem is with your Manas. And that has Saturn. Saturn shows you are lazy. So what you require is somebody beside you always with a stick do this. Otherwise you like to sleep. Somebody wakes me up, then I will. Somebody has to push, then it up. That is why you are not in Canada. Beta, wake up. Okay, now let me see whether you will wake up now, even if I say. Right, having this is correct. Now I will know when it will happen. Because your time is good, but 2010 onwards, more lazy. Now much worse, probably 2000, 18, 20 was not happy time. Mercury was there, 18, 20 Mars was there. Don't worry, 2020 September things will change for you. Between 2020 September to 2021 September, from then onwards it will be good. But things don't change all on a sudden. So this is May.
No.
April is over today. May, you can see I have sent the chart with you. You can see the time. I am only seeing that what is sent to you. So it says 2020 May, September, you are going to have a change. Ketu is a person for change. And that will happen for good or bad. Things will change within that 1 year. But 1 year doesn't change all on a sudden with a 1 day of shift. The effect can start maybe 2-3 months prior to that. That means from August, July, June. Next 2 months you try, you will get what you want. Don't worry. Things are favorable to you. So it doesn't stop. There is no stoppage actually. It's all supportive only.
In the supply chain.
Yeah.
And he has gotten RIT in the industrial management.
Yeah.
Now we have to choose between these
See,
two.
supply chain is like marketing and research. Lot of any supermarket also will post you if you have some supply chain experience.
So you suggested that he should go in that?
Job market wise, supply chain has got a better
Prospect.
Industry means, suppose you have an industry, only in that place you can have. Industries are less and distributions are more, right, in the world. Supply chain is
Yes.
distribution and marketing.
Distribution
So
and
whichever country, wherever you go, you will get. Industrial management is a different subject. Otherwise,
Yes.
you should have an experience in that industry. See, America people will appoint you only in medical factories, medical companies. You have some experience in medical company, then an industrial management experience in that field. Otherwise, industrial management cannot be a clean check with every bank where you can encash. That doesn't happen. Medical industry management is different. Mechanical engineering is different. Somewhere else is different. So when they give a degree, they will give. But most of the best university will have a tie-up with some company. They will post you there. You can get into the most. That's the beauty of Western universities. Wherever you study, they will tie up with some company, some industry, and if you keep contact with them who are coming for guest lectures and all that, they will find some placement and then get it very fast without any problem. But supply chain management, if there are possibilities of going for masters, then after that you can do research, because supply chain is looking for a lot of research, but it needs very good knowledge in statistics and mathematics. It is full of operation research, full of mathematics, full of statistics and good programming. Every engineering student will get. I was also a professor in in engineering college, so I know what happens. Everybody studies programming. Without that, nobody can do anything in this world today.
Yeah, that is there.
Yeah, that's okay. That's not a great problem. They will study very fast. But
So
genuinely, you have to study and then do projects very good. Get into the best university. I am sure job is not at all a problem in this world today, because every company, every people are looking for somebody to get a bright student. They want bright people, right? So supply chain has got a global market. Industrial management, now the fourth industrial revolutions and all are coming. Maybe the research options are more in supply chain because it's accepted today, it's in practice. Industrial management needs very good, in which field you are going, you are very good in that, probably you get it. Otherwise, generic may not help. Yeah. Stress is good only when it is productive. Otherwise, stress is called a
But that is
distress.
never product.
No, otherwise it is called a distress. Don't say stress. There are different English words. Learn English first. Any stress which is not productive is called distress and tension. Distress and tension is not at all useful for you. So what is essential is you should look outside. Don't look and get into troubles. Don't talk to people who gives you troubles. Look at options. What I can do. Don't press on the wall. It will never open. You will have to only press on the door. You must know where to look for what. That's it. Then things will open for you. Got it? We have to understand, yes, may not happen today. Now I told you September it will happen. But don't wait until September. Things will not happen. Nobody is going to give you anything straight. You will have to use your ability to start pushing. Things will come only for people who are working. Got it? See, there is a saying, why God gives troubles to everybody, why He is not solving problems for others. Then somebody said, in the village there are barbers, but still there are people with long hair. Only when you go to the barber and ask him to cut hair, he will cut, right? So you have to do your job. Then only God can help you. All this gives you some sort of a confidence. See, when you don't have a license to do something, when you have somebody who is having a license beside you, you feel, yeah, I don't have to take license because I know this person who is a very powerful person. Assume the police is sitting beside you and then you don't have a license, still you can drive without license, right? So that confidence you will get. So God is somebody who has to give you confidence, but He will not drive for you. He can only give you confidence. I am there as a mother, don't worry, I will give you everything. That's how you got it when you were a child. But after some time when you grow up, probably that confidence is not good enough.
She
right?
needs assistance.
Yeah, you need somebody else. Somebody else who needs to give you confidence and courage. So we think that, oh, there is some God who is... I don't believe in God at all. I am not a believer. I am not a religious person. I am only a spiritual person. So we know the strength comes from within, which you will have to activate yourself. And that activation power is within you. Probably there is a time when it will come active for you, sometime it will not. So we'll have to identify when it works for you. Right? Like your school admission, college admission, there are specific times, right? So similarly in life also there are some specific times in which it becomes active. So we are only looking at when it becomes active, no? How is it working? How is it correct? Maybe out of 1000 people, for 990 people, it worked for long years. So we know statistically it is correct. But there can be 10% which goes wrong also. No, possible. Yeah. So it doesn't help you, but it gives you power, it gives you strength. So you can decide whether I have to do it or not. And earlier options were less. Your expectations were less, ambitions were less. Today, many people have ambition, many people try for that. Therefore, competitions are more. Therefore, a lot of people started making fake certificates and all that, right? Earlier, it was not there. From Hyderabad, many people went to US last few years. They made all the documents fake. But then when they went there, they found the whole university is fake. With all the fake certificates, they went to US, they found the whole university was fake. And they were all deported. 200 people from Hyderabad. It happens because the world is like that. So, I don't think God has to be found fault for all these mistakes. It's all human. God doesn't ask people to do all these fake things, bribing. All that is not there. There is a saying, there is a beautiful poetry in Malayalam which says, "Hey God, give me 1000 rupees from the road, I will give you 500 rupees." And God, because last time when you got 1000, you didn't give 500. God, please take 500 advance and give me 500 only from the road.
That is true. That is true.
Why he needs your money? He doesn't require your money. He doesn't require your milk or fruits or coconut
No,
water. See what I'm saying? If it gives you happiness, do it.
Yeah, that gives
That's
me
fine.
happiness.
That's it. Whether
That
you
gives
do
me
it,
happiness.
whether you do it in the name of God, in the name of humanity, in the name of poverty, that's a different matter. Doesn't matter.
That
Most of the
little ones.
temples were traditionally was collecting money for poor feeding, for educating, for supporting and all that. That way a lot of activities are happening. That way it is good.